Hi there, and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Now, I know Thanksgiving and cryptocurrency can create a lot of conversation around Thanksgiving and the Thanksgiving table. And so what I would recommend is if you know someone in your family who's like, oh, you know what? Yeah, I kind of understand crypto, but I don't want to open up a crypto account. What they could do is take a look at MicroStrategy stock. This is ticker MSTR. Now, MicroStrategy has the most amount of Bitcoin as any individual company in history. And so they have a boatload of Bitcoin right now. So it's kind of like a Bitcoin play, but you also have the solid foundation of a software business that still makes money selling software, and Bitcoin is kind of like their leverage. And so what I like about the MicroStrategy chart right now, number one, is it's in a really nice uptrend. Like, it is above all the major moving averages, and all the dips under this orange line, which is the 8-day exponential, tend to get bought. Every time it dips down, the buyers step in. So I like to see that the buyers are coming in even when the stock is a tad weak. And so we have this nice little short base on MicroStrategy. And so what I would look for on this stock is a breakout right above that 314 level, maybe just below. Have an alert there and look for a strong move coming on volume. Now, for a target for this stock, I got to look at these previous highs back here and think, you know what? I think the stock has a possibility to retrace up to this $890 range if we see continued strength in Bitcoin. So this is one trade that I have on right now. I'm just kind of sitting with it. I'm long from below, but I'm looking to add and will probably add to this position if we get a strong break coming on volume. So that's one way to talk to your family and friends about Bitcoin, but keep them in the stock market. So I hope that video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades, and you should definitely check out what we're up to at Stock and Crypto Market Mentor. Click on StockMarketMentor.com to find out more, and happy Thanksgiving.